Baby Moses are title of this story. Moses was a wee baby boy. His mother loved him and held him close. His father loved him and patted his fat cheek